What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be working on the Honda. It is a 95 Civic DX. I got some new brakes today. I've been talking about doing them for a while, and today we are gonna make it work. Gonna make it happen. Let's look at these guys. These are some Powerstop drilled and slotted rotors. And it came with calipers and brake pads. Came with all of the new clips that go in the caliper. Got the car jacked up already. I'm gonna start with this side over here first. Take the wheel off, start taking everything off. I got new brake fluid too, so we will be flushing all the old fluid.
All your bitches got the green, bro. People worship these idols till they come in contact with God. Hoes is all my disciples, you get mind fucked with these broads. Life is just a recital, better remember all that you practice. When I die, throw a couple bad bitches in my casket. Whoa, think it's time for a revolution. Me and my dogs about to start a riot. Still they sleeping, but I'm eating. You and your people are on a diet. Tim Allen off home improvement. Intelligent, but we going stupid. This new shit. Hit the strip club, see some hoes that I went to school with. Out in London like Lennox Lewis. Bitch looking like Farrah Fawcett. I'm just trying to make better music. Get this money, share the profits. Now this class getting led by students. Smoke this weed, get head while I do it. Started out under the ground. They didn't fuck with me, now they all coming around. Money, I'm hunting it down. Planting the seeds, working it, watching it grow. I got so many ways I could make money. I'll always be straight, I just thought you should know. Been on my grind, take it what's mine. I got my eyes on the throne. I'ma be fine no matter the time. We all go along with the show.
That girl beautiful, somebody introduce me. She ain't you girl tonight, now bitch groovy. There's some money in the building, better give it to me. See you staring at me like you in the movies. You know you watching movies. Looking at my life is like you watching movies. Looking at my life is like you watching movies.
The driver's side on, passenger side, pretty much off. Just like I was fighting with that screw on the rotor. That one's like actually not savable, and if you get mind fucked with these broads.
Life is just a recital, better remember all that you practice. When I die, throw a couple bad bitches in my casket. Whoa, fuck a day job, got your bitch in just a tank top, getting paid, roll my face off, bitch you bank fraud, Bernie Madoff, educate y'all, then erase y'all, LL Cool J without the Kango, I don't see the need to stunt, wish you the best, I'ma just light up this blunt. This bitch love me long time, don't know why she wouldn't. Said my D could win the Heisman, yeah I'm Charles Woodson. Couple million off a tour, that's a lot of bookings. My bitch is gorgeous looking, imported from the shore of Brooklyn, coming from out of the burg. Bitch I'm absurd, fuck you up, hope you insured. Hating I'll give you just what you deserve, that's my word. Put it on all that I'm worth, been on my grind, take it what's mine. I got my eyes on the throne, I'ma be fine no matter the time. We all go along with the show.
So somebody introduce me. She ain't you girl tonight, now bitch groovy. There's some money in the building, better give it to me.
Caliper, freaking disgusting.
Close my eyes before I cross the street. If a car about to hit me, then he ought to beat. Watching Dawson's Creek till I fall asleep. It's harder than it seems, I'm underwater in my dreams. I'm in all this jigsaw, puzzle's not complete. I'm just an idea, nothing concrete. Came to raise limits, get higher than plane engines. They trying to change what has become to the same difference. Shut your pie hole, I'm dope and I know. My voice sound like it was a sample off of Rhino. I don't, my nose, hating on my style. I tend to take the high road, get stoned and fly low. I'm no god, I don't think that I'm a human though, cause I'm so odd. People selling drugs cause they can't find no job. Wonder if Christ made $1 million off of selling the cross. Let bygones be bygones, my mind strong as pythons. The day that I die on will turn me to an icon. Search the world for Zion or a shoulder I can cry on. The best of all time, I'm die long, die long, die long, die long. like aristocratic parties. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, said it ain't no party like aristocratic parties. Yeah, yo, sipping Jameson like I was majored in whiskey flavoring. When I'm drunk, I cut your head off and leave it dangling. Fly low, still trying to put me on to Ableton. Asian women love me, I look like David Duchovny. In kindergarten, used to put some condoms in my cubby in case one of these hoes was trying to fuck me. I ain't nobody, and neither are you. Been contemplating if I even still believe in the truth.
Hey, since a nigga had recess, motherfucker felt like a grown up. Mama come and bitch about a curfew. I was still playing around the corner. 7 years old, saw my first porno. Damn, that fucked me up. At 10, I bust my first nut on this older hoe gut. But so what? Let's recap. The earth's spinning too rapid. I'm living too fast. Sin is a habit. I can't hack, fornicate, act as rabbit. One bean short of an acid tablet. Security guard sponsor my cigarettes. The old head go ahead, cop me a brew. Sometimes them Koreans be cool. These shades make me look 22. They say you'll learn when you get older. I just say that ain't true. That just mean when you was younger, you ain't get turned up like us, fool. Just got L, so I'm riding high, still in high school. But I do everything I will do when I'm 25. No lie.
I was young with ambition, fuck around with these hoes. Never needed permission, went and lived the life that I chose. Premonition type visions, you see the world as it goes. Tell them all they missing while I watch that no phones.
brake pads are all good.
Confident kid, I was trying to go rock with the best. Watching my step, never know college play, found myself not enough, always on chest. Day, I could have been a great graduate, would've got one of them hoes from the bachelor. Could have been smart, could have been a doctor. Life full of drama, little soap opera. Falling in love, lucky that I caught you. Almost got her knocked up, would've been a father. All about energy, make good memories. I'm the fucking Dalai Lama. Only 18, but I have my own business. And I got fame like what the fuck is this? Whole bunch of cameras, fake ass bitches. Everybody around wanna treat me all different. Oh, I'm cool.
Well, that's gonna be the video for today, guys. The brakes feel really good. I recommend getting them actually. They're not too pricey, but they're definitely more quality than just like a basic OEM brake. I like them a lot, and they are the Powerstop Extremes or Evolutions or something like that. So, looking to get them, I recommend them. I like them a lot. So, all that being said, hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.